How you going, buddy? How you going? Huggy Shiggy queue. It is, it is. I'm going to do a little bit of a walk by and then I'm going to come back. How you going, buddy? You been to bed?
Nah, 2 hours sleep.
Wowzers. Hey, how you doing?
Hello, small box.
What have you been doing for the last day or two?
So a bit. Oh, that one's drinking and fried chicken.
Yeah, right. Ryan's had like 2 hours sleep.
You've been driving Kawaguchi around, haven't you?
Yeah, that too. Yeah, that was fun.
Are you lining up for the exclusives?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
I've already got them all so that the fans can't get them.
Have you been
it's
in?
It's all part of my alienation strategy.
Have you been in and seen the entries?
Yes, yes.
Some pretty amazing stuff in there, hey?
Really, really cool stuff.
Are you judging this year, Link, or no?
I don't think so. But I did have a quiet word. No. We were
did slip him a 50.
We did. Been putting a brown together. We were talking about the quality. It's just amazing. Like it's a big jump from last year.
Yeah, right.
And Kawaguchi's said that he can really feel the fun. The
oh,
level
good.
Of the community here. Not only are we technically better, but we're a much more of a fun crowd this year.
Oh, nice.
And that only cost me $50 again.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah, good. All right, well.
Just a moment.
Yeah. Okay.
I was sweating into my eyes.
Oh, it's chilly. Chilly. So anyway, good to see you. I might let you go because you're probably doing your own thing.
I'm going to do a real quick thing, and then Ryan's got me to talk with him during the workshops.
Yeah, nice.
I think it's just to make obscene wisecracks.
Yeah, well, that's right up your alley.
Welcome, wildlings, to GBWC. Make sure you guys are spending a lot of money because I had to give away my liver to pay for this. And I want you guys to hang around because we are looking for people. We want to play games today. Alright, so you guys want to hang around and we'll play with some little fun games, give away some stuff. Because Hobbyco wants to give away a lot of stuff. You're causing a little bit of chaos here.
Oh no!
That's a shame.
Cross the stream. Oh, you just cross stream. Ah! Hey!
Oh, it's funny.
Are you ready? This is our workshop.
Oh man, I can't do the workshop for religious reasons.
This is okay for gunk washing.
Yeah! Gunk everything! Yeah.
Where it's broken in, and that's the air conditioning duct.
Today's the day. Scott has promised he's giving up Gunpla.
Yeah. How you going, Scott?
Hey, Scott.
How's things?
Not too bad, mate.
How's the event going for you?
Very good, mate. Very good.
Have you had more than 2 hours sleep?
Yeah, I've had
3.5?
maybe, if I was lucky.
Good stuff. Wow, it's pretty epic, huh?
That's very good.
This is the centre of the room, by far.
Oh, definitely.
Especially with MC Zachariah, for whatever he calls himself.
So team, is our 12 o'clock sold out or what?
Are we doing a horror roll?
Holy crap, the whole day is sold out. We only have 2 spots left. Because I've been giving away kits, right? There's 20 bucks, I gave everybody $20 today. Hobbyco gave everybody $20 today. So, we have 2 spots left.
That's like about 10 years ago.
Team shop for Hobbyco.
Hell yeah!
Man, I'm working for damages here.
There's a marker.
Well done, well done.
Yeah, whoa! Look at Brad. It's so much.
Dragon Blanco, you come here. It's a pretend Dragon Blanco. It's a
Wildling!
Okay, so yellow, did I do this? Did you do this, Scott? Take this one. What is this?
It's
Marker.
Come on, Russ. Whoa!
Here we go, Russell.
Russell's back again.
Yeah.
Third time lucky. Come on, Russ.
Here we go. What is it? Marker. Let's do it. What do you think? Okay, here we go. Hey, that's not me, that's Scott. What do you think? Hey, everybody, do you think this is the win?
Yeah.
That's the win. The win? It's the Kawaguchi. Is it the win? Well, let's share it with the Kawaguchi. Let's check this out. It's a marker. But wait! But wait, but hold on! Wait. It's an A-Pro! Get a hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
Get a hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
Haley, Hannah, and Ryan, congratulations! Before we go, right? Isabel's going to PG. This is my Hobbyco, my Bandai. And then by the time you guys finish, the shop's still open. I'm just gonna pay for the show. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, 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 alright? No shame. Thank you very much. Let a round of applause for her. Ryan, ready to go, mate. Chop, chop.
Doing more stuff. Yeah, wait.
You're right.
Just wait for the first place.
This is for all the
To Japan.
To Japan.
This is the Australian. This is going to be the Australian champion of 2018. Who do you reckon it'll be? Josh?
No!
I'll blame it. It'll be good.
No, he's a noob.
It'll be Kirk at the back there.
Hey, that double there. Legit.
That Kirk as well. I'm also talking about that move that had the Australian match.
Nah, he's like one of those shake and bake weathering dudes. Just kidding. Just kidding. This is all for all the marbles. This is all for the marbles. So get amped. Get ready. This is the big one going to Japan. And it's open be 21 years and above. First place is
Aaron Simon.
Did you guys see that Cleveland Derby? The Cleveland Derby. Oh shit, Cleveland Derby. Come on down, Aaron. This guy's an absolute champ.
Come on, Aaron.
Well done. Hey, I got it. The next one.
Hang on. Actually, hey, before we do it. We're just joking. You won! You won!
Big thanks to Aaron.
Aaron won!
Alright, big speech. Big speech. Hey, speech.
Yeah, you try and shut me up. Hey, thanks everyone. It means a massive amount to finally win this. Those of you that won one, you know exactly what I mean. It's a big effort we all put into this stuff, so I couldn't thank everyone here enough, especially to Ryan and Hobbyco. They just do so much behind the scenes to help us all out, more than most people are aware, and they do it really thanklessly. So yeah, a big round of applause for Ryan in particular. He's a really good guy. And the whole crew, I'm missing anyone out. Scotty, you know, from the play, does so much for the community. Obviously, Mr. Kawaguchi. Finally good to shake your hand and get the goal. Yeah. And everyone else, karaoke tonight, man. End to set. Thanks, mate.
Play the tambourine.
Give it up for Aaron!
Alright, now.
Special.
If we could please give another round of applause for our wonderful representatives and to close out the show. Thank you very much.
The last hell year of the group. Hell year of 2018. Mr. Kawaguchi lead us to the final 2018 GBWC. Can I get a hell yeah?
Hell yeah!
Can I get a hell yeah?
Hell yeah!
Last one. Can I get a hell yeah?
Hell yeah!
Party and the after party and the after party. You guys are coming. Thank you very much. Well done.
Thank you, everyone. Looking forward to that.
Aaron, congratulations, my friend. Well done, well done.
Cheers, mate.
Going to be how you did you see this coming?
No, I never ever get too into it because you never know.
You never know.
Never know.
It was pretty tough.
It was
It was
tough.
pretty tough.
It's a hard field this year.
Have you been to Japan before?
No.
Wow, double whammy.
Double whammy.
I don't think you'll get to see much. If you ask these people, you're
No,
pretty
they're
pretty
pretty
busy.
flat out.
Yeah, anyway. So after party tonight, put that back at your hotel so it's nice and safe. Because Ryan might want to bring out, take shots out of it or something.
I'll put him in the captain.
Yeah, cool. All right, brother.
Cheers,
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Champion. Good one.
No, I think the kids. It is.
That's all my favorite.
Is that straight to the bins? Straight to the bin.
Oh,
Where's the badges?
I gotta talk to Ryan about giving them out.
Oh, maybe not.
No, about either today or tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna talk to them. Oh yeah.
Straight to the bin.
Straight to the bin. Yeah. Waste of time.